Hello. Today, we'll solve this interesting problem. Let's find the value of a step-by-step. Notice there are three identical terms here. We can rewrite the equation as 3 times 3 to the equals 72. Divide both sides by 3 to isolate 3 to the a. This gives us 3 to the equals 24. Now, take the logarithm of both sides to solve for a. This gives us a times log of 3 equals log of 24. Let's simplify log of 24. Since 24 equals 3 times 8, we can use the log addition rule. And since 8 equals 2 cubed, we can further simplify. Using the change of base formula, we get our solution at equals 1 plus 3 log base 3 of 2. Let's verify. Substitute at equals 1 plus 3 log base 3 of 2 back into the original equation. When we simplify, we indeed get 72, confirming our solution. And that's it. The solution is at equals 1 plus 3 log base 3 of 2. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and see you next time.